guys, it's Logan Nungesser, and that's Maddie. They have little toys, and we're gonna play school. Students,
What?
play with your toys.
Hey, Mittens. What? Do you want to go talk to Brittany Brownie? I have this exciting thing. We're gonna be able to go all the way to Shoppy's Town. Oh my! I gotta call you. Brittany Brownie, guess what? What? We're soon gonna go to Shoppy's Town. Cool! Guess what? Toasty bread. What? We're soon gonna go to Shoppy's Town.
Jello guy, guess
what? Wobbles?
what?
What? We're going to Shoppy's Town. Cool! Guess what, Drinky? What? We're going to Shoppy's Town. Guess what, microphone? What? We're gonna go to Shoppy's Town. Guess what, Polly Teapot? We're gonna go to Shoppy's Town.
Guys, the Shopkins are going to Shoppy's Town. Say bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, guys. Subscribe. Bye.